Hello students, welcome you all our today math online class. I Naima Afrin, teacher of class 3, welcome you again our math online class. At first I would like to extend my warmest wishes for you. My dear lovely students, I hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, now I am starting our class. Get ready for the today's class. Before going to start our today's lesson, I am asking you that what was our previous topic? Yes, our previous topic was geometry. And I hope that all of you have learned the definition of some quadrilateral, line, point, and you have practiced how to draw these shapes. Okay. So, can I ask you some question from our previous lesson? Yes. Get ready for the first question. The first question for you, that is, what is called line? Give me the answer. What is called line? Yes, very good. You give the answer correctly. That is, line is a moving point. It has only length but no end point. Okay, look at the picture of line, and we can increase the line in both direction, in left side and right side also. It has no end point. Okay, so the next question for you, that what is called square? My dear students, I know that already we have come to know about different types of quadrilateral, and square is one of the quadrilateral. So can you tell me what is called square? Yes, very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. The definition of square is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal in length and every angle is right angle, that is 90 degree, is called square. So students, whenever you draw the square shape, that time we have to be attentive about the definition that every angle should be right angle here. And I know that already you have practiced that how to draw different kinds of angle in our second term syllabus. So we can draw the square according to the definition properly. That every angle of square is right angle, that is 90 degree it should be. Okay. So let's move our today's topic now. Before going to start our today's topic, I want to tell you that the learning objective of our today's topic. And you know that today our topic name is short question answer. And by learning the short question answer, the students will able to know the basic information about the third term syllabus chapter. Okay, because in short question answer is nothing new for you. Whenever we have discussed any chapter, all the time we discussed about the basic information about the chapter. Okay, so today our CW number is 65. Now I am starting our today's class. Today our topic is short question answer, and I will show you 1 to 20 short question answer for you. And I'll know that already you have got the short question answer sheet from your school, and I will give you the answer of this short question today. So get ready for our today's class. The first question, what is called the number below the bar sign? So what will be the answer? Very easy question for you. We know the number below the bar sign is called denominator. Yes. Now, the second question for you. What is the equivalent fraction of the fraction 3 by 5? What is the equivalent fraction of the fraction 3 by 5? So students, you know that equivalent fraction means their value will be always same. And I hope that all of you know the rules that how can you find out the equivalent fraction. Yes, the rule says we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same multiplication table. Okay. So here they have given you the fraction 3 by 5. So what will be the answer? I am starting the times table of 2 at first. So it will be 3 2 is 6, 5 2 is 10. So our answer has come 6 by 10. So the next question. Question number 3. What is called the measuring unit of weight? So can you guess from which chapter this question has come? Yes, it is from our measurement chapter. And already we have come to know about the unit of different types of measurement like weight measurement, length measurement, and volume of liquid, time measurement. So here they are asking about weight measurement unit. So what is the unit of weight measurement? Already we have know that is gram or kilogram. So our answer is gram or kilogram. So the question number 4 I am discussing now. Question number 4. Which unit you will use to measure the length of dough? So students, can you come to know that they are asking you length of dough. So from which measurement they have asked you the question? Yes, from the length measurement. Because they have asked you length of a door. We know the length measurement example is like door, height of your friend, like pencil box length, your window length also, isn't it? So it is the length measurement, length of a door. So what is the length measurement unit? Can you remember? Yes. So length measurement unit is meter, centimeter, kilometer, decameter, so many units. So here our answer will be meter, because always we measure the door as a, then we have to use the unit meter. Okay. So write down this answer. Now question number 5 for you. The question is, if denominator is 13 and numerator is 9, what will be the fraction? It is very easy. They have mentioned here denominator is 13 and numerator is 9. So how can we place this number? Now this is the question. I know that numerator number always we put it above the fraction bar. And denominator number always we place it below the fraction bar. So I have written the answer like this way, 9 by 13. 9 is our numerator and 13 is our denominator. Okay students? So write down the answer 9 by 13 like this way. So question number 6 for you. It is also from the fraction chapter. That is very easy question for you. What is called the number above the bar sign? Just now we have discussed this point, that the number above the bar sign is called numerator. Okay students? So be careful about the spelling of numerator. Sometimes we make mistake in the spelling. Okay. So what is the answer, spelling of numerator? N-U-M-E-R-A-T-U-R, numerator. Okay. So go for the next question. That is question number 7. What is the question number 7 for you? The question is, which figure it cannot draw without a center. So students, you have already completed the geometry chapter and you have learned some definition of some geometrical shape, isn't it? So can you tell me that which figure we cannot draw without a center? Center is must to draw this figure. Yes, our answer is circle. Look at the picture of circle and there should be a center point. And by using this center point, we have to draw a circle. Okay? So, now question number 8 for you. 1/5 of 30 days equal to, there is a box. Fill in the box and days. Empty box is there. So we have to find out the answer and put it in the box. Okay. So 1/5 of 30 days means how many days we have to find out. So what should we do here? Here we have to do the division. 30 days, 5 part will be what? Okay. So how can I find out? By doing the division. So 30 divided by 5. Which answer will come? If you read out the 5 times table. Yes. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. We got the answer. 6 is our quotient and 30 days, 1/5 is 6 days. By doing the division, we can find out this answer. Okay? So, now next question is question number 9. The 9 number question is, in which quadrilateral opposite sides are equal and parallel? So, answer will be what? Square? No. What will be the answer? Yes, we know the quadrilateral which has the opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. We know this very well, that rectangle opposite sides are always equal and parallel. Look at the picture there, the rectangle picture. Here the length of this line is equal the opposite sides. So this line, opposite line is this one. So there are equal length, and this line equal sides are there. Their length of the sides is also equal and parallel. Okay, their distance is also same, the line distance. So that's why our answer is rectangle. Okay. So 10 number question for you. What is the numerator of this fraction here? 7 by 18. So we have to find out that they have given the fraction number 7 by 18, and in that number, fraction number, which one is numerator part? Here our answer is what? Very good, 7. We know the number above the fraction bar is called numerator. Here 7 is our numerator because 7 is number is above our fraction bar. So our answer is 7. So the question number 11 for you. The question is, how will we express 7 nines in digit? Students, they have given you here the word that is written 7 nines, and we have to express it as a digit. Okay, so they have given you the fraction 7 nines. You know how fraction number always we write like this way. In whenever we have to write fraction number as a word, we have to write like this way, 7 nines, like 2/3, like this way, isn't it? So here they have given you in word that 7 nines, and we have to express it as a digit. So how can I write it? Yes, you know, whenever we write the fraction number as a word, always we write the numerator number, the number above the bar sign, we write it at first. Then we write the denominator's number. So here they have given you 7 nines. So at first we have to write 7 above the fraction bar, and then we have to write 9 as our denominator. Okay, so our answer will be like that, 7 by 9. Okay students, so now question number 12 for you. The question is, if 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, how many minutes will be there in one day? So dear student, look at the question attentively. Here, what should I do? To find out the minutes, total number of minutes, they have given you the information about 1 hour 60 minutes. But we have to find out how many minutes in a day, one day. So here, we have to convert day as hour. Okay. And we know that one day means how many hours? 24 hours. It will be the same thing. One day 24 hours or 24 hours one day. So if we convert it as an hour, then it will be good for us for our calculation. So which method I have to apply here to find out the answer? Yes, we have to do here the multiplication to find out the answer. Because they have given you the information that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 24 hours will be how many minutes? How can I do it? It will be obviously more minutes. So by doing the multiplication, we can find out the answer, and you can show the rough work, that 60 multiplied by 24. And here there are 2-digit multiplier. So we have to follow 2 steps to find out the answer. So first step, do 4 zeros are 0 and 4 6 are what? These are the 4 times table. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So I got here 214. Now go to the next step. And you know next step, from which place we have to start? Yes, we have to start from the tens place. And here our multiplier is 2. So look here, I am reading out the times table. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 6 will be what? Very easy. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, and I have written 12 here. So now we have to do the addition at the last of the multiplication. So if we do the addition, what answer will come? Yes, our answer has come. That is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, obviously. And 2, we have to write here 2 because there is no number in the upper side. And also we have to write 1 as there is no number in the upper part. So our answer at last has come 1440 minutes. So by doing the multiplication, we have got the answer that one day means 1440 minutes. So this type of problem can come in your exam as a short question answer. At that time, you have to read out the question attentively. Okay. Now let's move for the next question. This is also look like a word problem. Simple. So what is the question? The question is, on Rafi's birthday, he gave 6 candies to each classmate. There are 24 students. How many candies Rafi distributed? Look at the question very attentively. That what information they have given you. They have given you the Rafi gave 6 candy to each classmate. That means one classmate got 6 candy. And there are how many total students? 24 students. But there is a word distributed. Don't think so this is the problem of division. Okay, because the question is for you, how many candies Rafi distributed. So it is the problem of not division. It is the what problem of multiplication. Okay, because we have to find out the total number of candies here. So the two students has 24 and every students got 6 candy, every classmate got 6 candy. So total number of candy Rafi distributed how much? How many? So by doing the multiplication we can get the answer here. So we can show the rougher the 24 multiplied by 6. So our multiplier is 6 here. So we have to read out the 6 times table. So read out the 6 times table. 6 4s are what? 6 zeros are 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Yes, so I have written here 24 are 4 and 2 is my carrying number. So again read out the 6 times table, that is 6 2s are. 6 2s will be what? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. But 12 is not my final answer because I am carrying 2 at my hand. So it will be, we have to add this carrying number with 12. So it will be what? 12 plus 2, 13, 14. So my answer is 144. So 144 candies Rafi total he distributed among his classmates. Okay, students? So I hope that all of you have understood this problem. Now the next question for you, and the next question is very easy question for you. That is, how many centimeter make a meter? So I know that all of you have learned some formula to solve the measurement problem, isn't it? So here there was a formula we have already memorized before. That is what? 1 meter means how many centimeter? Can you remember? Yes, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. That means 100 centimeter can make a 1 meter. And you know, meter is a bigger unit than centimeter. So our answer is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, students? Now, question number 15 for you. Question number 15, all of you look at the board. The question is also very easy question for you. That how many hands are there in a clock? All of you know about the clock. That clock has how many hands? Yes, 3 hands. Can you tell me the hands name? Yes, very good. We know the clock has 3 hands. That is hour, minute, second. Isn't it? So can you, another question, can you tell me that about the clock hands, that is which hands is the longest among the 3 hands? Yes, the second hand is the longest hand of the clock. Always keep in mind, okay? Okay, now I am telling you the next question. That is question number 16. Okay. The question is, which unit you will use to measure the volume of 1 packet of chocolate milk? Do you like to eat chocolate milk? I hope so, that all of you like to drink chocolate milk. So now tell me, what will be the answer? The unit to measure the volume of 1 packet of chocolate milk. Be attentive now. They have asking you about the liquid things unit. So what will be the answer? We have already learned it before that the volume of liquid unit is milliliter. Very good. So our answer is milliliter. Okay. So the next question. Get ready for the next question. the question number 17. That is, how many arms are there in quadrilateral? I know that already you have learned about different types of quadrilateral and the definition of quadrilateral also. So all types of quadrilaterals, how many arms? Arms means it is the same meaning of sides. Okay. So arms, in a quadrilateral there are 4 arms. That means 4 sides. Same thing. Okay. So our answer is 4 arms. We know all the quadrilateral has 4 sides or 4 arms. Okay. So let's go for the next question. That is question number 18. It is also very easy for you. And it is the question for you. Write the 2 equivalent fraction of 6 by 7. Already we have done before the equivalent fraction. How can we find out? So here we have to write 2 equivalent fractions. Okay. So equivalent fraction, you know the rules. That same multiplication table we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So as we have to write 2 equivalent fraction, I have to start from the 2 times table. Then I have to I have to multiply the next number by 3 times multiplication table. Okay. So our answer is, first number is, read out the 2 multiplication table. That is 2 6 are 12 by 2 7s will be what? 14. So first equivalent fraction is 12 by 14. And the next equivalent fraction, here we have to multiply this numerator and denominator by the multiplication table of 3. So what will be the answer? Next equivalent fraction, that is 3 6 are 18, and the denominator will become 3 7s are what? Yes, 21. So I got the next equivalent fraction is 18 by 21. So we got the 2 equivalent fraction here. One is 12 by 14, another number is 18 by 21. So write down. So next question, that is question number 19. It is from our time measurement segment. That is, the question is for you, what do you say 12 midnight to 11:59 noon? Students, whenever we say the time, always we use the word AM or PM. So today we learn what does AM means, the elaborate form of AM, and elaborate form of PM also. But the first question is for you from question number 19. What do you say 12 midnight to 11:59 noon? So always we use from the midnight to noon, we use the word what? PM? No. In that time, when we express the time, we have to say AM. And AM means what? What is the elaborate form? Antimeridian. Okay. So our answer is what? Our answer is antimeridian. We say 12 midnight to 11:59 noon. At that time, we have to always use the word AM. And AM means, we have to learn today, antimeridian. Okay, students? So the next question is also from this related, time related. That is question number 20, and it is the last question from the short question answer sheet. That is, what do you say 12 noon to 11:59 midnight? In that case, we use the word PM, isn't it, students? That 11:59 to 12 midnight, in that time we are always using the word PM. And PM means what? The elaborate form of PM is post meridian. Post meridian. Okay, dear? So this is our last question. Okay? So students, can I ask you some question from our today's discussion? Okay. So get ready for the question. The first question for you. How many months are there in 3 years? So what should we do here to find out the answer? Yes, we have to apply here multiplication, because we know that 1 year means how many months? 12 months. And we have to find the answer that 3 years means how many months? So if we know that 1 year means 12 months, so 3 years means 12 multiplied by 3. So it will be, answer will be what? 36 months. Okay, students? Very good that you have got the point from this question, that we have to do here the multiplication. Now the second question for you. The question is, how will you express 2/3 in digits? This type of question already we have discussed in our short question answer. Okay? Yes, we have to write 2 as our numerator and third means we have to write 3 as our denominator. Very good. So our answer is like 2 by 3. Well done, students. So now students, it's time for diary writing. All of you take out your diary and write down the diary. Today your homework is, you have to learn the short question answer 1 to 20 at home. So students, I hope that all of you have finished your diary writing. No more students. Now it's time for leave the class. See you in next. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.